What's going on, guys? Today I want to introduce you into something I'm going to call Friday Shorts. I'm going to do something that's a quick 1-minute video, maybe 2 minutes, something that's quick and pretty. All right, I'm going to do Dalgona coffee today. So let's get into it. To make one drink, we need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of boiling water, and then we're going to whip that up and then pour it over a cup of ice cold milk. I'm making a bigger batch of whipped coffee right now because I'm going to pour it over multiple drinks. We need to mix this with a hand mixer on high for at least 2-3 minutes in order to get the stiff whipped consistency that we need to put on top of the drink. We have the traditional. Dalgona coffee is actually a Korean drink. You might have heard of it called whipped coffee, but we're gonna call it what it is. It's Korean food. Don't sleep on Korean food. It's delicious, it's pretty. Please research some Korean food and give yourself a treat. Traditional whipped coffee on iced milk. You can switch this up and pour it over a flavored milk, or you do something like chai tea. Anything cold will support the cream. Whipped coffee on cold brew coffee for that extra caffeine kick. All right, so the way you drink this is you actually mix it up first. The milk with the whipped coffee adds that creaminess that it really needs to make it a full-bodied drink. I would prefer this as a dessert coffee. I'm more of a black coffee drinker, but to each his own. Cheers. Happy Friday.